I just realized something. I think I might.
Wait, no. This is amazing. Mia Jackie doesn't want to sing right now. Come on.
No.
Jackie.
Get up. Oh, who's watching me?
Well, it's no big deal. All her parents are going to be the only ones who see it.
Huh?
I'm serious.
My parents probably won't even
My
watch
God, it's no big deal. Nobody sees these things.
Phone! Just a moment. Okay.
What is?
You don't have to keep pushing that in. This right here, you go like that, back and forth. What does it do?
Zoom.
It zooms in.
Why do you zoom it back and
Look,
forth?
you can go like this. Towards, see, there goes Bernice, and then
You're
back.
watching me right now. Why
Okay,
are you
I got it.
watching me?
No.
Okay.
Is it turned on?
Here. Oh, I get into the group. Remember how we harmonized it? Let's do it.
Wait, tell me when to turn it on. Do I
It is on.
Oh.
No, we don't want to sing this song. Hey, that's it. Print it. Where's the cassette player?
Sherry!
Madonna! Oh, yeah. That's our best song. Madonna, best girl. Here. Why is it coming in? Okay, we gotta stand by it. You got style. That's what all the girls say. That is chic and luxury so fine. All the custom made in London. Oh my gosh, she's just like my sister. I've got something that you really love. You up in my love. All over. You just you up in my love. All over your body. Right, here we go. Do like Madonna. Come on, Sherry, smile for the Daddy, here's Madonna. Madonna.
Looking so brand new.
No, Renee, what? Just keep the mouth open. You have to go like this.
Now Angie looks like Cyndi Lauper.
Oh, Cyndi Lauper. Let's just try to see things. Girls just wanna have fun. I think this is the best.
We have
Wait.
Officer, I think there's a prowler outside my house, but I can't see anybody. What do you mean? Hey, Cindy. Hey! What's going on here? Is this a ghost or something? What? What's going on? Just go ahead and do it. What's going on here? Hey! Who are you? Officer, I think there's a prowler outside my house, but I can't see anything. What do you mean? Yes, you are now. Hey, who's here? Who is here? What is this? What is this? Hey! What is this? No, I'm free! Who are you? Get away! Officer, could you please help me? I think there's a prowler outside my house. No, I can't see anybody. What? You've got to help me! What's going on here? Is this a ghost or something? What? What?
Sometime later that evening.
Captain, I'm down on the scene right now. Appears to be strangulation. Yeah. I'm checking it out. All right. Shocking reports on what Soviet KGB is doing. Oh, man. Definite strangulation. No shoes, just as I suspected. I need to find some evidence. Why isn't there any evidence? We're dealing with an intelligent criminal. Music. Mark Gray and Tammy Wynette. They were good together. What kind of sicko would do this? This job is getting... Captain, there's definite strangulation on our hands. I don't see any evidence right now. You better send down the squad. Okay, I'll be checking in the license file. I don't know. Like that. I'll give you the details later. Bye. Next, please. Miss Jan Spurgeon. Hello, officer. Good afternoon. Let's get right down to business. Did you or did you not have Miss Eunice Blackhead as a student? That's correct. Describe Miss Eunice Blackhead to me, in your own opinion.
Now, I'm not saying I had anything against the kids, but things that belonged in the journal section of her notebook ended up in the miscellaneous section. I didn't like it. Not at all. And she got mad at me when I gave her it up.
So, in other words, what you're telling me... let me just absorb this here. What you're telling me is that you hated her because she did not have her notebook in order.
I never said I hated the kid. She was a fairly decent kid. She talked in class. She didn't show much respect. But I liked the kid. I'm there to teach. And she was there to learn. But occasionally she wandered off about guys. One time, she went to one of her boyfriends.
in due time.
Well, I certainly hope you do. I had your mother in class, you know.
Moving right along, Miss Spurgeon. Now, we've already established that you were not particularly fond of Miss Eunice Blackhead, so that is not exactly a reason to murder.
I never wanted to murder the kid.
I know.
help her. I never murdered her.
I realize that, Miss Spurgeon.
Never.
Heresy.
Absolutely. I'm not capable of her.
Okay, Miss Spurgeon. But let's look at this from a different point of view. We have to examine this. Why would blank want to murder Miss Eunice Blackhead? Why? We are filling your name in this particular instance. Why would Mrs. Jan Spurgeon want to murder
Have you thought about
Eunice
Have
Blackhead?
you thought suicide? She was a very unstable child.
I'll be asking the questions here if you don't mind.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to ask you a simple question. I would like you to answer with a simple yes or no statement. Were you, Mrs. Jan Spurgeon, involved with Miss Eunice Blackhead in a plot to kill the principal of New Smyrna Beach High School? Tell me that. Just tell me that. Yes or no?
Sir, I am appalled. I respect the principal, and I demand respect. Oh, good for you, sir. I'm hoping you will have a better clip. No more than this. No
I
more
can
than
see you're cracking, Mrs. Spurgeon. Now, please have a
this. Goodbye.
I'll be getting back to you on this.
Now what I do after I press it? All right, coming in.
Next suspect, Mr. Podunk. Mind stepping in here, please? Have a seat right here. Mr. Podunk, I'm assuming that you were acquainted with the victim in this case, Miss Eunice Blackhead? Yep, she's my girlfriend. Describe your relationship with Miss Blackhead to me. Head a little small there. Hey, no wisecracks, Sonny. You're being investigated here. All right. Don't get us so upset. Yep, she's my girlfriend. Describe your relationship with Miss Eunice Blackhead. I just took her out a few times and don't know what you're getting so upset about. So in other words, in your opinion, you had no reason to kill her. Obviously not. What am I going to do? Kill her? I wasn't going to kill her. Why would I kill her? Well, let's look at this from a... She was a little disgusting sometimes, but I mean, you know, any girl you expect has some bad traits on her. Let's look at this from another point of view. Why would Mr. Dunk want to kill Eunice Blackhead? That's the question here. Now, do you want to give me some clues on what the answer to that might be? I would not have no reason to kill her. I am not. Do I look like somebody who would kill his own girlfriend? You don't have to look like a killer to be a killer. Are you acquainted with the drug PCP, or more well known by the term angel dust? 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 What, is there dust on the table? I ain't dusty. It ain't dusty. What are you talking about? PCP, Mr. Dunk. PCP, what? Listen, Poe, I'm not playing around here. Now, I am aware that you are Chattanooga choose lace with PCP, otherwise known as angel dust, into this country. And I believe that Miss Eunice Blackhead came to knowledge of that. What are you talking about? PCP, angel, what is it? Angel dust? Angel dust? What are you talking about? I did not do anything that's illegal. Don't you understand? I did not do anything that's illegal. No, that's thinking my face, buddy. The police say different, Mr. Dunk. Well, I don't care what the police say.
suspects aren't guilty. Miss Spurgeon can effectively kill a fly. This podunk person doesn't have enough intelligence. I don't know. I was hoping I would not resort to this. Oh, it's only one more possibility.
Could it be the Invisible Man?
Looks like the Invisible Man strikes again. I knew it! He did it again! Well, listen to me, Invisible Man. You're not going to get away this time, because I know just how to stop you. I know just how to stop you. Invisible! Repellent! Where are you? Finally, this nightmare is over. Wait! What is it? Stop! Ah! No! I didn't kill! Well, Invisible Man, we now present the Invisible Man. Dun, 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 dun,
And I'm back. It's Eunice Blackhead, back from the dead. And I'll tell you right now, this is Rose, I'm gonna get the Invisible Man if it kills me! Again.